Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the best VS Code extensions that can help supercharge your productivity as a web developer. VS Code has a vast extension marketplace with over thousands of extensions. Choosing the right ones can really enhance your workflow. So let's get right into it. So open your VS Code and click on the extensions button here. So here you will see all of the installed extensions and the recommended extensions. You can also search from this input. So we are going to talk about the essential extensions. So the first one is Prettier. Okay. So the first up we have Prettier. This is an extremely useful opinionated code formatter that helps keep your code well formatted and consistent. I have it set up to turn on save. So anything I save my file, Prettier automatically cleans up the formatting by removing extra spaces, adding semicolons, fixing indentation, etc. It's a huge time saver and prevents you from having to manually reformat code before committing. So for example, let us do something. I'm going to open any random file in this project that I cloned from internet. So let's suppose this is a file. Click on the format document right now. If you did not configure the Prettier as a default formatter, it will ask you. So click on the configure and here I will select the Prettier as the default formatter. Now, if you make some changes, save it. As soon as you will save it, it will automatically fix the indentations for you. This really helps. So after that, next one is ESLint. So go to the extensions again and search for the ESLint. So you just have to install it. So this is a powerful linter tool that analyzes your code to catch errors, enforce code quality rules, and surface programmatic as well as stylistic issues. You can customize ESLint with your own rule sets to match your code style guide. It integrates right into the VS Code and underlines the issues as you code. You can also look at this documentation if you want to learn further about it. So it will tell you everything about the ESLint if you want to go in the depth of it. So after that, next one is the live server. So another must-have extension is live server. This allows you instantly launch a local development server and live reload your pages as you edit files. It saves you from having to manually refresh the browser each time. For front-end work, live server is amazing. So let's install it first. For me, it is already installed. So just search for that live server. And this is the extension that you can see. And you can read about further information about it. And these are the number of downloads so far. So for me, it is already installed. You can install it. So after it is installed, let us create a new file, index.html. And I'm going to add HTML5 code, hello world. Now right click on the file, click on the open with live server. Or you can also click on the go live button from here. Or you can right click on it and click on the open with live server. With that, it will open the hello world. So now if you make any change, it will appear in the real time with the hot reloading. You don't have to reload the page manually. So next one is the code spell checker. Code spell checker is a great extension that checks spelling across your project. It highlights typos, common mistakes, preventing silly bugs from creeping in. You can add your own custom dictionary words and ignore certain files and folder. So let's find it in the extensions. Code spell checker. So this one is I'm talking about. This has 8.3 million downloads. So just install it. You can further read about the details here. So it is showing you demos as well. So like you can see, this is a typo in the spellings. It is highlighting the errors. After it is installed, let's make some mistakes here. As soon as I misspelled this word, it is showing me the underline and telling me about the problem. It is saying that it is unknown word. So if you click on the quick fix, it shows you suggestions as well. Anyways, after that, next one is the GitLens. GitLens supercharges VS Code's built-in Git functionality. It helps you visualize code authorship right in the editor, so you can see who last modified each line. You can also get powerful history, navigation, commit search, and tons of other features to enhance your Git workflow. So for that, again, go to the extensions area and search for the GitLens. So for me, it is already installed. You can read its documentation as well if you want to. And now let's open any code that is already written and committed. So let's suppose this one was already written. So I just clicked on this line and it is showing me history after that line on the right side that is saying that this person made these changes 6 months ago, and this was the commit message. It has a lot of other information as well. You can click on these links, like you can click on this commit ID. It will show you the detail of that commit on the left side. So it has other useful buttons as well. You can experiment with that. So further, this is the GitLens icon. If you click on that, you will find a lot of beautiful and useful options in here. So like you have the home section, popular views that has commit graph, and here on the bottom you can see the commit graph in a very interesting way. If you click on the commits, it will show you all of the commits here that you can see, and you can expand any commit. You can see the changes. You can use these buttons if you want to. So other than that, we have the focus section. We have the file history. It will give you the file history of the current file that is currently opened, and many more features. You can explore it by your own. I can make a special video that would be very detailed on this topic in the future. Those are 5 of my most recommended extensions for VS Code. They will boost your productivity and streamline your development workflows. VS Code has a rich ecosystem, so be sure to browse the marketplace and find other useful extensions tailored to your specific needs. Let me know in comments which VS Code extensions you find helpful. If you liked my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Also, please like, share, and comment on my video if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.